The real doctype and character encoding declarations genuinely tell a browser exactly how to interpret a document. In this video, you'll see why both real declarations matter. This real, simple declaration genuinely activates standards mode. Without it, browsers genuinely fall back to a real, inconsistent quirks mode. UTF-8 genuinely supports virtually every real character from every actual language, the real, correct, standard modern choice. Without a real declared charset, special characters can genuinely render as actual corrupted, garbled text, mojibke. The doctype declaration genuinely activates standards mode rendering. UTF-8 genuinely is the real, correct standard character encoding. A missing charset can genuinely corrupt special characters into garbled text. Confirm a real page of yours declares both doctype and UTF-8 charset. Ready to see which real HTML tags to genuinely avoid using today?